Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC, and yes, it is monthly Knife Club box time. Now, we're back to our regular monthly Knife Club box subscription, Ultimate Knife Club name brand subscription. As you know, I got one of their grab bags here recently, and we took a look at that. Kind of sorta as a viewer request. So, but I will tell you that in doing that, I went back and I got another one of their Onyx Club or Onyx subscription grab bags. That is it's their most expensive subscription they have, and it's the most expensive grab bag they have. But I did get a 15% off coupon, so I did save a little bit. But no, we are back to May's monthly Knife Club box. So let's get this sucker open and see what's in it. Actually, I am kind of excited for the Onyx box, just because, you know, that's supposed to be some higher level knives. So, you know, that could be pretty cool. We all like expensive knives, right? Yeah, do we? I don't know. I don't get too much into expensive knives. I stay kind of in that budget range. So, all right, we got it open finally. They do a very good job of taping these. So, all right, now this is interesting. I noticed it was a pretty light box, and yeah, this one's going to be interesting. We're going to have to see what's in that box. We got the monthly Knife Club. This is drop 132. So let's start. Or let's not start. Oh, there it is. Woo! Oh, it was stuck to the back of that. I was like, oh man, it's stuck to it. Oh, that sucks. Well, it's okay. Maybe. Well, he's kind of dicked up. Okay. But I love their stickers, guys. That's what was bumming me out. This is the Rushing Viking sticker. Free. This is their free monthly sticker. Has a value of $5, but they send it to us free every month. His horn was, I don't know if you can see that. The sticker started coming off, and it was stuck to the back of one of the other things. I was like, oh, where's my sticker? It's here. It's here. Let's do this. There we go. So, we got our Viking sticker. Whew. All right. We can sigh of relief. Okay. We're good to go. So, the first thing we're going to take a look at out of this month's box is the Rothco 80mm locking carabiner. Now, unfortunately, it was attached here somehow, but it is no longer attached. But this is what it is, locking carabiner. It looks like it comes in 4 different colors: woodland, OD, black, and coyote. I guess we got, I'm going to say that's coyote. But it is a locking carabiner. Let's see, how does it lock? Yep, unscrews, open it up, shut it back up, screw it back down. Oh, wow. Okay, you can go too far. There you go. It's locked now. It's not coming open. Can you go too far? No. Okay. I was like, oh man, is it going to come off? It did. It did kind of come off the other side. So, you don't really take it all the way up. Just cover the threads. There you go. Just cover the threads, and it's locked up. So, you've got a locking carabiner from Rothco. We've seen some Rothco products. High-strength aluminum construction, secure threaded barrel lock, versatile use, ideal for camping, hiking, etc. Value, $6. Okay. All right. So, we got ourselves a carabiner. Next thing we have, oh, yeah, the Gerber Shard. This is the arm bar. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh, wrong one. I can't read. The Gerber Shard. There we go. We'll do that. Now, we have seen this little shard on the channel before. It's the Shard GT Bladdock Hayes Hills. Wow. Bladdock Hayes Hill. I'm going to show you. That's what it says. Bladdock? Bladdock. Hayes Hills. You got sort of that topo color on it. It's a little multi-tool. Pretty cool. All right, let's take it off there and look at it. Let's see here. We'll take it off. It'll find its way into a giveaway. Can we do it? Ooh, goodness. Oh, there's a keychain. No, we're not, because it's got the keychain ring on the back. I'm going to leave it the way it is. There's the keychain ring, by the way. So, let's see. 3 tools. You got a keychain. It's lightweight. Bottle opener. Airplane friendly. There's your bottle opener. There's your little screwdriver type tool. And you've got a little scraper tool right there. So, cool. We've definitely seen those on the channel before. Gerber shard coming in at $11. This is the one. Oh, we've definitely seen one of these on the channel before too. The Gerber armbar slim drive. 2.5-inch plain edge frame lock. 2-inch extension bit driver with 2-sided bit. Bottle opener extra slim profile. Open length 8 inches. Limited lifetime warranty. Value in at $46. Yeah, we're going to look at this. We're going to take this out and look at it. Because we like to play around. So let's get it. Using our handy dandy Tuckahoe jack. New. Finally got the heart. Love it. That, of course, comes to us from Rosecraft Blades. Very nice. I'm trying to get it out. I really am. It's cutting, but it's not cooperating. Holy smokes, it's cut. Why won't it come out? Ah, there we go. Live TV. Gotta love it. Argue with it. It'll work, I promise. I don't need that in there anymore. All right. Here we go. What's that? Oh, that was a little ring rattling around. You got a little keychain ring on it. That's what I heard rattling. There's your blade. Locking. Yep. Liner lock right there. Do not recall what the steel is on this. Does it say? Bottle opener. Let's see. On the back, does it say? Plain edge. No, I have to look it up. I don't exactly remember what the steel was on this. Anyway, okay. We got that. We've got, oh, there you go. There's your bit driver. We got a 2-sided bit. Yes, we do. Got a flat tip. Allen, it is magnetized. See that sucker? Watch that sucker. Pop right in there. Magnetized, very good. Does that lock? Nope. That is not locking. Nope, not locking. Okay. And let's see. What are all our tools here? 2-sided bit driver, plain edge, aluminum scales. Ooh, where's the bottle opener? Where's that at? Where? Oh, there it is. Is that it? Maybe. Well, I'll find it. Or I won't. That looks like part of the armbar. Let's see. It is on the opposite side of the knife. Is this it? Is that it? Is that it? There it is. Haha. We found it. There it is. It's kind of got a little, it's kind of got a little roller flipper tab. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. There's your bottle opener, and yeah, that's all they call it. I thought maybe they'd get a flat tip, but it's not really flat. So, little multi-tool, Gerber, armbar, slim drive, $46. So this is kind of a Gerber heavy box. Okay. All right. That still creeps in there. So now we actually have 2 items left in this box. So next we have a Civivi knife. We like Civivi. Civivis are good. The Civivi Sentinel Strike. Have we had one of these in... Did we get one of these in a monthly knife club? I feel like we have. Ooh, maybe not. Ooh. Do they know me or what? I wonder. K110 high carbon steel drop point blade, red and black aluminum with FRN handle, reverse tanto, ceramic bearing pivot, button lock, tip up carry. $65 to $100, I guess, probably depending on which model you get. Ooh, that's a wicked blade. It's got some jimping going on. Definitely got a very, very generous forward choil. I like that red aluminum. That looks to be, is that G10? Oh, dude, check that out. That looks like to be a solid piece of, I'm guessing, did it say? FRN, okay. FRN. Oh, top-mounted pocket clip. Sure looks like it's right or left hand. Looks like you do have a, looks like it to be a potentially ceramic ball glass breaker up there. Lanyard hole. Deep carry clip. Let's see that button. Okay. Very smooth. Reverse flickable. Dude, I'm digging that. Woohoo. Yeah, okay. And, dude, super comfortable in hand. Very, very comfortable because we got that Civivi diver down clip on it. Dude, that is very comfortable in hand. Woohoo. Well, we're going to have to take a deeper look at the old Sentinel Strike there. So, like I said, value $65 to $100, depending on which one you get. I'll have to look to see exactly what the price point is on that one. And we have one left. We have a Kubey left. The KB390. Those of you that can remember all those Kubey numbers, you probably know what it is. But this one is going to be the Steeltle from Kubey. M390 stainless steel, titanium handle, 2.6 ounces, ceramic, cage ceramic pivot, frame lock, value between $184 and $230. Again, I guess, now they say, they give that price range. They tell you the one you're going to get, but then they give you a price range, and I'm guessing they're giving you a price range because of the different models that are available. We will say that. But there you go. There is the Steeltle. It's kind of a small knife. Ooh, I kind of like that blade. Very, oh wow. Very, I guess aggressive is the best word I can come up with, but it's good. Yeah, my thumb's not going anywhere on that jimping. Holy cow. It is pretty aggressive. It's definitely not fine cut. It's thick cut jimping. We've got a little harpoonish blade going on there. M390. Oh, now I can't read it. Goodness gracious. All right. I gotta bust out the glasses, guys, because I can't read that. It looks familiar, but I don't want to say the wrong thing. What do we have there? Cot knives? Yeah, KOT, cot knives. Okay. Not one I am overly familiar with. Excellent. Let me see. Got the finger grooves. It is a 3-finger knife for me, and I do not have overly large hands. So, definitely on the smaller side. Ooh, we're going to have to get a frame lock. Single-sided clip. Okay. That's an interesting little knife. I'm going to have to carry this, and I like the blade. I do like the blade. I know you guys are I'm more drop point and stuff, but I do kind of dig that blade. Jimping, pretty good. As far as comfort in hand, it is pretty comfortable. I can feel that it's got a kind of a wide clip down there. I can definitely feel that a little bit. But it holds my thumb pretty darn well. My pinky kind of locks it down. So interesting little knife. We're definitely going to have to put some use into that one and see what else we can really think about it overall. Overall, not a bad box this month. You've got the sticker, the carabiner, the Gerber shard, the armbar slim. You've got the Civivi Sentinel Strike and the KB knives Kubey Steeltle KB390. There's an asterisk. What's the asterisk mean? What does the asterisk mean? I don't know. It doesn't say what the asterisk means. So it says our overall value on the low end is $310. Okay? If that holds true, which you guys know, I kind of quit looking up the value of these knives because for the simple fact that they had always been on point with their pricing. Absolutely 100% on point. And I paid, well, like I said, I'm grandfathered. Before the price raise, you're going to pay right around $200 shipping and handling for this box. It is the ultimate. It's the larger box. We don't have the quantity, but especially when it comes to the knives, I definitely think we have the quality. Because it always said, you know, back in the beginning, it always said you're going to get between 8 and 14 items in the box. Well, you know, I'm kind of glad we don't get 8 to 14 because if we got that many, I don't think we would have the quality that we get with some of these higher end knives. Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, you know, according to the way things used to be, this would probably fall into the premium, which was the middle, because we got, what, 5 items? Yeah. That used to be like 5 to 10, I think. And the ultimate was 8 to 14. We don't get a lot of filler. I mean, okay, the carabiner, sure. You could look at the shard that way, if you like. I mean, some people really like those little pocket tools. So, somebody would be pretty darn happy with it. And then, of course, I think the armbar is definitely solid. Nice little tool. And then, of course, you've got the Sentinel Strike. And you've got the Steeltle, right? Steeltle. That's a really interesting... Steeltle. Steeltle. It's steel, T-L-E. Steeltle. Gonna have to remember that. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Greatly appreciate you tuning in. Like I said, I do have an Onyx grab bag box. Just ordered it, well, today, as a matter of fact, as I'm doing this. Just ordered it. Hopefully it'll be here a week and a half or so, you know, and we can take a look and see what they have to offer in their Onyx subscription plan. Have a great rest of your week, guys. Fantastic day today. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.